I'm gonna talk about what my clips are and how I made them and what they're supposed to sound like. I'm gonna voice over some of my clips because some of them don't have it. So yeah.
Sharpening knives, I think.
It's just like a can. This kind of sounds like a saw. It's sawing stuff. It's a chain, by the way.
Give credit to Adila. She sent me a video of one of these, and so I was like, "Whoa, that's genius! I'm gonna use it to make horse hooves." So I don't know if this is gonna sound perfect. If this is gonna sound really good or not.
It's a wooden frog. It's a horse harness. I put them over each other so it sounds more realistic. This sounds
It's very much like me shaking jewelry in my hand. They're clothes hangers. It sounds very much so like me shaking clothes hangers in my hand. It's jewelry.
It's a textbook and a magazine.
I don't know if this is what staple guns sound like, but this kind of sounds like a staple gun. That one did not sound like a staple gun. There you go. I don't know how useful this is, but if you want to get like a like one of those counting things like this and make this sound, then they count like how many people go into a place. That kind of sounds like me pulling this light bulb. This sounds oddly similar to me punching myself in the arm. It's a glove that is way too small for me. I may be wrong here, but I feel like this sounds a lot like putting keys like into the car to start the ignition.
It's an amplifier.
You know those things where like they're if you move them like a little, they like change picture or like they change color and stuff, and people tell you, and they're really fun to scratch and they make this cool sound, and then people tell you not to scratch them because then you'll mess them up. Yeah, so this when taking it out, it kind of sounds.
It's a vinyl. I'm not sure if this is actually what mice sound like, but according to movies, this is sounds similar to mice like scurrying around. They're guitar picks.
If you want to simulate a earthquake, this kind of sounds similar. So I'm shaking a fridge, like the door to the fridge. It's good if you have glass bottles in there, and it just sounds like everything's shaking. Also, maybe if you have just glass bottles in there, it sounds similar to like bells outside, like a wind chime or something like that. So I think there's like plastic stuff in there too, so that's why there's like a deeper sound in the back. But if you just take those out and just have the glass, then it sounds. Wait, here, I'll just demonstrate. That wasn't the best because I couldn't take everything out of my fridge, but hopefully you get the idea.
Since my project is already pretty long, here's some stuff I messed up.
If you want like make a like a light bulb turning on noise, you can use one of these things. Oh wait. Oh no. I recommend holding it with your other hand.